Did you know that toothpaste used on the skin helps to improve its tone? The properties present in the white toothpaste have the ability to reduce marks and scars. It fades skin pigmentation and gives a more pleasant appearance. These toothpaste remedies are not only for women. Men can also use it to solve their skin problems. Here are the top 10 uses of toothpaste as a cleaning agent. Skin whitening toothpaste. The whitening effect of the toothpaste, it really is a must try. You just need to mix 1 tablespoon of toothpaste with a little lemon juice. Apply this mixture on your face to improve your skin tone. Massage in circular motion for like 1 minute and then remove it with cold water. Acne. Acne is the second problem of every face. When a pimple appears, you can apply a little bit of toothpaste on it and leave it there overnight. The next morning, the pimple will be dry without leaving any scar. Red spots. You can say goodbye to spots and redness on your skin with the help of toothpaste. Prepare a mixture of 1 teaspoon of toothpaste and a little bit of milk, just enough to form a paste. Then apply it on your face to get rid of this problem. Leave it on for 5 minutes, then remove it with cold water. Wrinkles. Wrinkles can also be faded with the help of toothpaste. You just need to apply a little toothpaste on the problem area and leave it overnight. Rinse the next day. Toothpaste for black spots. Black spots can be faded with the help of toothpaste. Just add the juice of 1 tomato to your toothpaste to get a black spot mask. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Blackheads. Blackheads are another very common problem on any face. To remove blackheads, use toothpaste mixed with a portion of ground walnut. Neck wrinkles. With the help of toothpaste, you can get rid of those annoying lines on your neck. All you have to do is prepare a mixture of toothpaste with water and apply it on the affected areas. Facial hair. To remove facial hair, use a combination of 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, a little bit of lemon, and half teaspoon salt or sugar. Massage the mixture into the skin in vertical motions to remove unwanted facial hair. Whiteheads. Whiteheads can be removed by brushing the skin using toothpaste and water. Oily skin. Oily skin can be treated with toothpaste. All you need is to prepare a solution of 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, a little bit of water, and half teaspoon of salt. Wash your face every morning with this mixture, and you will solve the skin problem.